Hello guys, welcome back to another video on the Command Bunker channel. In this video today, I'll be showing you my deactivated M16 and all the original components that came with it. So we get started in the video with the M16 itself. This right here is my original deactivated M16. So it is, with an original sling. The M16 itself is deactivated in spec, so it does not cock or dry fire. So it doesn't, unfortunately, but everything else works on the M16 as normal. To go along with the M16 itself, I have the M16 rifle, 78 dated. And then I also have a 68 dated M16 rifle. Also the original M16 clean kit with two kind of gun oils, the brush and the cleaning rods in the original bag, the M16 clean bag itself, the M16 bayonet original, and the M16 bipod with original cover. As it is a deactivated M16, everything will fit the M16 as it should, such as the bayonet, the bipod. The bipod itself does just clip on there like that. Stand the M16 up, and because, like I said, everything's original M16 deactivated, the bayonet itself just slides on and clips onto it like that. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, that's all.